Learn how to sell your house for top dollar in 90 seconds. Stay tuned. Alright, before we get started, click that like button and leave me a comment below on which type of how to sell a house videos you want to see. Step 1, box all of the items that you don't use on a regular basis. Put them in boxes, put them in one area so that your house is clutter-free and the rooms look more spacious. Number 2, don't go too crazy with improvements. Alright, I know that you want to sell for top dollar, like the house around the corner or down the street, but get a professional opinion from a licensed realtor so that you don't waste money improving items that won't increase your bottom line. Number 3, it never hurts to put fresh paint on the walls. That could really be the difference of $500 more or $5,000 more. And finally, if you have been thinking about improving your kitchen or bath, don't break the bank doing a complete gut and complete remodel, but just make sure your kitchen looks clean and neat. That's what people or most buyers are looking for, is a fresh, clean bath and kitchen. And this was how to sell a house for top dollar. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have concerns, give me a thumbs down or just comment in the section below. I will be happy to make more videos on the topics that you want to hear. It's your empowered realtor, Katina Willis. I'll see you next time. Bye.